morning, everyone. Welcome to a new Bitcoin update. And I'm saying only good morning because for me it's pretty early and I'm already on my second coffee and it doesn't work. And as you can see, I have a clean chart because Smart Eve decided to change the colors on my candles and on my technical analysis, and I deleted the wrong layout in trading. So I thought this would be a nice opportunity for you guys to see a clean chart and to do the TA together. As you can see, I already have mine here, but let's do one together, shall we? Let's go. First of all, let's start with the support. So we had the fib retracement from bear market lows from here to all-time high. And we need to zoom in a little. So we have the right pivot here, which is this low. And also let's check the all-time high, which is, where is it? This one here. Perfect. Now we zoom out and we can see that the 382 and 0.5 are not useful anymore because we are below them, so we remove. We also add a volume profile for the same pivots. Bear market lows, all-time high, and we get the bigger, higher time frame volume profile. As we can see, we are now in an area with volume, and this is why price have stopped for a while here. We also can have a fib retracement from the last pivot low, which is this one here, to all-time high. And this one will give us an 886 here, right on golden pocket. But if we zoom in, we didn't tag either the golden pocket or 886. We have a slightly front run. And even though the drop down was pretty aggressive and we had lots of stops here, I'm not confident yet that this is the low. In order to have a better idea, I will wait for a 4-hour market structure break, which in our case here, we have the main low. This would be the market structure break. So let's mark this one with a line and call it 4-hour market structure break. If she can change the trend here with the 4-hour market structure break, I will be looking for a retest in a fib algo, ideally in a 382, if not a golden pocket, because as it stands now, this one will have more volume. But until then, we are waiting on longs. Now, in terms of resistance, let's zoom out again and we go on a daily chart. So we have fewer candles and same idea, using a fib retracement from all-time high to the last low, which is this one, and a volume profile for the same pivots until here. As you can see, the move up here, let's see, if we move this one at this low, she didn't reach the point of control, but was close enough to that cluster of volume here. So this tells me that she's still bearish. Now we have a new low on this one. Point of control is still there. And the first area of resistance will be the 382. But let's see if we can find any other confluence around this one. We have these highs here, which look very nice for a swing failure pattern. And if we had a fib retracement from January high, which was an important pivot, until the low, we have a golden pocket right on the 382. We remove 382 and 0.5 here. So this one looks nice. Let's see a volume profile from January until now. It's in a thin move, though we don't have any volume in here. So if she is to reject here on golden pocket and 382, I prefer a quick reaction. Because if she can flip this area, then I'm not interested in any other fib levels above. I'll be looking at the main golden pocket from all-time high to the last low. Having this point of controls here, this makes me think that I can also add a fib from this last high here to the low. Because we don't have 4-hour market structure break yet to look for longs, I'm still looking for shorts in order to touch the main area of longs, which we said will be this one here, and we make it green. Let's see if we add a 382 here on this fib retracement. There you go. We have 382, 2 points of controls, a lot of volume here. So this would be a very interesting area to flip. But let's see, where was our 4-hour market structure break? Was the same pivot? No, it is lower. So we go like this. Let's see. So 4-hour market structure break is here. Daily market structure break should be on this high, but the more obvious one for me will be this one. So yes, I like this one as a resistance zone. If she can flip this one, then we are looking to golden pocket above. So from this fib, I remove any other levels like this because I'm only interested in this one. And as we can see from this move here, there's thin volume. If we add a volume profile like this, there's nothing here. So if she can flip 67.5, then she can easily go to 80 to 83. In terms of support, as we said, golden pocket 886, 54, 57. It's a big area, and looking at how price action developed lately, I think we will get another swipe down and another consolidation before she decides to change structure. In terms of counts, of Elliott Wave counts, this move down looked like a 5 waves move, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with this one being an ABC. And if we use a fib extension to check this one here, like this, we had a 1-to-1 here, which is nice. And for the 5 waves down, wave 1, low, high of wave 2, we had a 1618 for wave 3, and for wave 4, we had again a 1618. So this one looks clear for a 5 wave move down, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, with this one being an A, B, C here. But if this is the count, after having 5 waves down and 3 waves up, we are looking again for 5 waves down. And in that case, using a fib extension for a bigger, higher time frame ABC, we get lower targets. Which lower targets, to be honest, are pretty scary. The first one is golden pocket at 41K. Second one is 786 on the 886 and point of control from bear market lows to all-time high. So this one here is actually a really nice zone to buy, especially buying spot, 28, 30K. But we also can have a bounce on the 786 and golden pocket because we have volume here too. Now let's hope we don't reach 1-to-1, which is 16K with value area low, because that will be tragic. These are the main areas for now. So support below us, golden pocket 886, resistance, first one 67, second one 82, 84. If she goes higher, then we have the higher time frame golden pocket. So this is our new TA now. So let's go and group this into a single folder, and we're gonna name it, let's say, YouTube. Oops. And we also need to move the volumes in here. And this is it. In terms of altcoins, of course, the same idea happened. Everything was deleted. So I will update these and I'll make another update with the altcoins next Monday. Until then, if you have any other altcoins that you want me to chart, please let me know in the comments. And also, don't forget, if you want to learn how to trade using Confluence, as I show you in every Monday update, please check the link in the description below and see if it's a good fit for you. Have a great trading week, and I'll see you on Friday with the next educational video, which is about why I don't trade weekends. Until then, take care. Bye bye.